Hello, I'm Laoise Moore. I'm the Irish Consul General for New England, and I'm really happy to be here at the Irish Cultural Centre in Western New England. I arrived in Boston about just over 4 months ago. I'm really excited to be here, and one of the things that I've been doing since I arrived is getting around our consular area in New England to meet all sorts of communities, but especially the Irish community and the Irish diaspora throughout New England. And since I got here, I have been hearing about the Irish Cultural Centre in New England, and I have to come and I have to visit, and it's an incredible place. And so I'm really delighted that to actually be here and to see it for myself. And I don't know what I was expecting, because so many people told me so many great things about the place, but like I am really bowled over by what I've seen. Consulate, we started a new concept. We decided that we were going to do pop-up consulates. We were going to try and move the consulate out of Boston for a few nights each year, go out and meet people in New England and introduce ourselves. And so we decided to dip our toe in the water and to do it for the first time here at the Irish Cultural Centre in Western New England. We did it last night. It was a really great successful. We had a really great reception, and we're certainly going to do it again. We're definitely going to come back here and do it again. We're going to do it in other parts of New England. It's just really great to see the incredible things that the Irish community has done here. And especially I had the opportunity to meet people from the community, and they were talking about what this place was like just a few short years ago, and how with the incredible amount of work and a lot of support from a lot of people, this place has been absolutely transformed to this thriving hub, cultural centre, community centre for not just the Irish community but for all of the community here. And it's really wonderful to see, and it's really great to hear all about the exciting plans for the future of the centre. I understand it's going to be expanding even more in the future. Irish government is really proud of what the centre is doing. It's really proud to support the centre and the Irish community here. Irish diaspora engagement for us is a really important part of what we do. We really treasure our links with the Irish community in Massachusetts and throughout New England, and to see the Irish Cultural Centre in Western New England and so many other Irish groups here thriving and looking to the future. We could not be more proud of you guys and what you're doing here, and it's really great to be here, and thanks for giving us such a great welcome.